Hi guys, I'll be showing you my ice cream truck. Today I'm gonna be playing with it. So yeah, yesterday I opened the ice cream truck with this cute little table. I figured it out now. So yeah, and then there's like this thing that comes with it. So yeah, and oh yeah, go to my sister's and her friend's channel. They're making it right now. So yeah. So we have the two coolers that I told you guys yesterday. They really open. Really cool. Then we got shoes and in this color. She joined us yesterday. Then we got the stand for the ice cream truck. There. And then we got in a blind basket minifigure, macaroon. Oh yeah, yes, tomorrow my friend's gonna be joining my channel. Her name's Morgan, and her bigger brother has a channel. So check that out. Oh, next we have the people that come with it is Kylie Cone. Put her in there. And Wally Water Bottle. They're making the channel right now. They're over there. I'll show you in 1 minute. After I show you all my Shopkins that I have. Let's close it. That's all done now. Yeah. Then we got wedding cake. Wendy wedding cake. She's like a cake that doesn't make sense. So let's close that. And just so you know, this is all your options. You could get some popcorn, some root beer, some soda, ice creams on this side, and then this is the sun putting an ice cream cone, so it's just that. To move in on this side. So we have popcorn and Snuggle. Yeah. Now I'm going to be showing you the people who's making the video, my sister and her friend Nevaeh. So they're over here. What was that? Oh my goodness, I had chocolate on my... I got chocolate on my the stuff, so. Oh, right, your ice cream spilled in my ice cream truck. Okay, I'll show you guys. They're making the channel right now. So yeah. So let's start playing. So we have to have a driver. So yeah, so the driver is gonna be Poppycorn. Sorry. My camera's supposed to be sitting on the stand right there. There's Poppycorn up there. Now, I'm going to get down here with you guys so I have more room. So, yeah. Now we're down here. Put that over there so we have more room. And then we have all the accessories. That's the table. These are the two coolers that we have. Bring it over there. What about go there? Let's get all the stuff down. So there's the truck and the popcorn. Here's the driver. Just so you guys remember. And I didn't have place for Snuggle, Wendy wedding cake, Susan, Wally Water Bottle, macaroon, or Kylie cone. Ah. So yeah. So yeah. So did you guys make your own video?
Don't forget about this little ice cream.
Oh yeah, and we have this little ice cream cone that has to go in here with Kylie cone and some water or root beer or something. So yeah, there's that. And then these, well, Suzanne is gonna be the girl who gives you ice cream, and then these are the people who are gonna be waiting for the ice cream. So one's over there, and one's over here. Ice cream truck! Ice cream! Who wants some ice cream? Ah, popcorn's going everywhere in the place. So